Hello everyone, myself Dhanashri Bharti and I am a student of MSc second year chemistry and my seminar topic is structure and synthesis of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment found in red blood corpuscles. हीमोग्लोबिन जो होता है वो रेस्पिरेटरी पिगमेंट होता है जो आरबीसीज में पाया जाता है और ये कॉन्जुगेटेड प्रोटीन होता है जिसके साथ प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप जुड़ा होता है। जो प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप होता है उसे हम पिगमेंट होता है उसे हम हीम कहते हैं। हीमोग्लोबिन ये ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन होता है जो कि वाटर सोल्यूबल होता है। सो hemoglobin is made up of two subparts. First one is a heme and second one is a globin. Heme is a iron containing pigment and it gives a red color. It gives a red color to the blood. Heme is an iron porphyrin complex called iron protoporphyrin. Heme also gets divided into two parts. First one is iron and second one is porphyrin. Iron is present in ferrous form, that is Fe2 positive. And porphyrins are cyclic tetrapyrrole consisting of a 4 pyrrole rings linked by methylene bridges. पोरफायरिन्स क्या होते हैं? पोरफायरिन्स मतलब पोरफायरिन्स आर टेट्रापायरल रिंग्स. टेट्रा मीन्स 4 एंड पायरल मीन्स 5 मेंबर हेट्रोसाइक्लिक रिंग जिसमें नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है जो अटैच होगा Fe2+ आयन से एंड दिस पायरल आर कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर बाय methylene bridges and this iron atom is the site of a oxygen binding. In the figure the yellow portion is heme group and this one is present in polypeptide chain, means in each hemoglobin molecule there are 4 heme group which contains one iron atom and this binds to oxygen. Globin molecules. Globin is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. First one is alpha chain and second one is beta chains. These chains are present in pairs as shown in the figure: alpha 1 chain, beta 1 chain, alpha 2 and beta 2. Each alpha chain contains 141 amino acids and beta chain contains 146 amino acids. Means the total amino acids present in globin are 474 amino acids. Synthesis of hemoglobin. Each molecule of heme combines with globin chain. Synthesis of hemoglobin actually starts in proerythroblastic stage. Heme portion of the globin is synthesized in mitochondria and globin part is synthesized in ribosomes. Heme is synthesized from succinyl coenzyme A and the glycine. Step 1. It occurs in mitochondria. 2 molecules of succinyl coenzyme A and 2 molecules of glycine in the presence of ALA synthesis enzyme to form delta amino levulinic acid. This one is the first byproduct of a heme molecule. Then it transported to the cytoplasm and 2 molecules of delta amino levulinic acid will convert into porphobilinogen in the presence of ALA dehydratase enzyme. Then porphobilinogen in the presence of synthesis enzyme will convert into uroporphobilinogen 1. Then uroporphobilinogen 1 in the presence of co-synthase enzyme convert into uroporphobilinogen 3. Then uroporphobilinogen 3 in presence of decarboxylase converts into coproporphyrinogen 3. It again goes to mitochondria. Coproporphyrinogen 3 will oxidize in the presence of oxidase enzyme and get converted into protoporphyrinogen 9. This will again oxidize in presence of oxidase enzyme and it gets converted into protoporphyrin 9. Then the protoporphyrin 9 combines with iron to form heme in the presence of ferrochelatase, and here is a structure of a heme, and this one is a pathway of heme synthesis. Functions of hemoglobin. The main function of hemoglobin is to carry oxygen throughout our body. It also transports some amount of carbon dioxide from different parts of body to lungs. ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी सब ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है and it plays important role in maintaining shape of RBCs, and it also maintains the acid base balance, which means it acts as a buffer. Thank you.